DFIR analysts face a massive challenge: thousands of artifacts across disk images, memory dumps, and log files. Current AI tools suffer from three critical flaws: hallucination with fake findings, no audit trail to verify conclusions, and prompt-based constraints that can be ignored. We built a structurally self-correcting DFIR agent on openclaw that orchestrates four forensic tools: SleuthKit for file system analysis, YRA for signature matching, Plaso for timeline reconstruction, and Volatility3 for memory forensics. The critical difference: our constraints are architectural, not prompts. Read-only mounts enforced by the OS. Write sandboxes enforced by the file system. Evidence integrity enforced by SHA-256 hashing. %100% detection, 0 false positives, across two different attack scenarios. Every finding traces back to verifiable tool output with cryptographic hashes. We don't ask the AI to be careful. We build a pipeline where being careless is architecturally impossible. DFIR doesn't need more features. It needs more trust. Our agent delivers the trust through architecture, not prompts. Thank you.